Hey everybody, thank you and welcome to my new YouTube channel, BlueprintPC. My name is Juan. You can call me J-Wan. My friends do. They call me a whole bunch of other things too, but you really can't say all that on YouTube. So we'll go with J-Wan or Juan, whichever is easier for you guys. A little bit about me real quick here, and I'll get to what the channel's about. I'm in my 30s, so I'm old for most of you guys. Been a gamer my entire life. Ever since I was probably 4 or 5, could pick up a controller and, essentially function the way things worked, played Mario, Duck Hunt, and, all those basic games back in the day. I continued to play games as I got older. I mean, did things, did a bunch of other stuff outside of that as well, but did play games a lot. Moved up the console tree from, Nintendo into PlayStation to Xbox. Eventually in my teens, I did pick up PC. I did dabble with it prior to that a little bit, like Duke Nukem, Quake, Doom, the old stuff, Oregon Trail, if you want to consider that an actual game. I mean, it was a game. It's a great game. It's very nostalgic for a lot of people out there, including myself. It was the game to play way back when you had like big ass floppy disks that, made no sense. Well, it made sense for that day. Regardless, I got in the PC building. Me and a buddy of mine, he had a pretty cool setup. We did some pretty odd things. We bolted speakers to his roof of his house the roof of his house, the ceiling in his room to create a surround sound setup. We cut out the side panel on his case and mounted a box fan to it, like an actual house box fan. We took one cover off, slapped it on there, just to help it run cooler while we were doing some gaming. About a year after that, not even, I built my first PC. Was very proud of that. It was pretty cool. Did a lot of gaming on that for a long time, and still kind of trailed with that for a good while after that. There was a point in time where I did step away from PCs for a little while, went hardcore into consoles. Been playing a lot of Xbox, the Switch and stuff like that. Even the little Nintendo micro consoles. I did feel that there's a few things missing throughout time. There's a lot of times where, especially with first-person shooters, I was, trying to make a kill, and I got pretty good at it, but there's still times where you go to move and you're waiting for that crosshair to move up, and you just potato all over the place no matter what you do, where versus with a mouse, you still may potato, but you have more muscle movement and control over that, and it just tends to feel better. So this past year, I jumped back into PC gaming. I had a gaming laptop for a while. I did a great job. And then I jumped in. I'm like, I need to build another PC. My friends were doing it, so I figured, why not I do it? Did that, built that. And, I refreshed so much in my mind and learned a ton more at the same time. And kind of brings me to why I want to do this channel. I want to try and help other builders out there, other people who are just now getting into PC gaming, or console gamers who are curious about PC gaming. I want to try and do some how-to videos and show you guys just straightforward, this is how you install components, this is how you build a PC. But at the same token, I want to do a ton on game reviews, product reviews, because I do a ton of research before I buy anything, and I'm hopefully can take on some of my knowledge and pass it on to you guys. So when you're looking at different options, whether it be a headset, a controller, a keyboard, a mouse, whatever it may be, you can take some of what I've learned and hopefully help you make the best decision possible for you. I have a wide variety of ideas that I want to try and do for this channel. And as I do videos, I hope you guys can tell me what you like, what you don't like. And hopefully improve from there, along with cameras, video, lighting, all that stuff. I'll go ahead and try to upgrade that as time goes on. But again, name's Juan, channel's BlueprintPC. There will be a website to follow with it, but it's gonna be geared towards, again, just the beginners, helping them get out there in the world and, build their education for getting into PCs. And so hope you guys like what's coming up, and let me know if you don't. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you.